So this is an atrocious mod. I've never seen a ThyssenKrupp lantern like that. It's dome shaped. This is so sad. Everybody press F or whatever, I don't know. Nice, 2 different buttons. I'm gonna go down and then we'll get a view once we come back up. That's a crime. They replaced an old gated elevator, bird cage, with a freaking Endura. And somebody's going up. Okay, no. Is it the same on this floor too? Oh, what the hell? These used to be Westinghouse. That's bizarre. I don't even know. All right, that's it.